KPI6 is an AI-powered market research platform combining social listening with digital twins. The platform enables enterprises and consulting firms to transform consumer signals into actionable strategic insights. Starting on the homepage, KPI6 highlights its core value metrics: dual monitoring approach, data integration framework layers, and enterprise client social proof. Under the Solutions menu, the Behavior module showcases tools for analyzing consumer signals, customer journeys, and voice sentiment to unlock strategic insights. The GenAI Advisory Program section details structured corporate partnerships, offering priority technology access, custom reporting, and expert advisory support. On the Audience page, users learn how AI digital twins model real-time audience behaviors, complete with options to schedule a platform demo. The blog repository features thought leadership articles, case studies, and industry analysis on AI trends and digital market research. Finally, visitors can toggle language options, access direct contact channels, or submit the consultation form to schedule a live strategy session.
Do you have a similar vision for a game-changing application? Or are you looking to develop a custom platform that pushes the boundaries of technology? We're here to help you build it. Let's turn your idea into the next industry standard. Get in touch with HackerKernel today.